the way down. Come on, baby. Okay, we're ready. Oh, we got it. Oh, I got the minor. At a 125. That's 250, honey. Okay, we're gonna get our money back. All right, let's do it. Thank you. I needed that so bad. You know it too. This machine knows. It doesn't mean I'll be way ahead, but hey. Let's see if we can drop a major. Come on. Let's do what Jason did. Drop that major, baby. So it's 5 times whatever's there, except for the minor is the minor. Come on, one more. Just one more. They've been pretty stingy this morning. Come on, one more, baby. No. Okay, so we've got the 250. Thank goodness. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Park MGM early in the morning. Family needs your coffee. Let's go, PK. Nice. I got a feeling about the grand here. That's why I kept sticking through this. Oh, yeah, I put 300 in it already. Starting my 400. All right, so that's very good, guys. Very nice. Okay? Doing the Golden Roosters by themselves. Would you like to do that dance one more time? I wish I would have caught that. We got 35 more spins. Wow. Isn't that great, guys? On a 75-cent city. All right. Wow.
Yeah, that's the eggs all the way across.
That was a re-trigger, right?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy.
That's something.
Well, I'm glad to see these are still hitting.
Yeah, it's kind of like a reunion, where I came back to pay homage to the Golden Rooster, and it gave it right back to me.
Would you like to do that dance right now?
Wait till the music comes back if it does.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll save it for you. But you don't like to do that.
I like the dance. It was so cute.
Oh, we're re-triggering again.
Wow.
We're triggering again.
My gosh. Oh. Wow. This is going to be big, guys.
$500.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it should be. So you have 45, 55, 60 spins, right?
Yeah,
60
spins.
And it could be more, guys, because you can get up to 80 some. Usually you don't see that many. I'm really happy for it. Yeah, this 75, the highest you can get on the Unleashed, I think is, well, on 75 I got $660 some dollars. So I'm wondering if this is what's going to happen here. With 32 to go.
Oh, just this there.
This is great. 75-cent bet, guys. We're at 8 cents of the win. This is SLOTZ PK and Gman. Oh, this is so cool.
Golden Rooster original.
Yep. Come on, here we go. I've got to get back to that one when we're on 29. I bet it re-triggered. Oh, I thought it was a re-trigger. It's not the Unleashed. I
That's
forgot.
right. Remember, it's got to be 3 in a row.
Oh, man. Okay, so we got 25. Wow. This is thrilling. For 75 cents. Wow. Nice. Oh, I do love these old ones. I'll have to go play the old Triple Fortune Dragon too again.
Golden Roosters was the machine that I won my first jackpot on.
Yeah.
Circle.
Exactly. It was the first jackpot. Yeah. How much was that? About 3,000?
It was 2,043, I think it was.
Okay, cool. And it was a $3.75 bet. I remember.
Come on, Golden Rooster.
16 to
Bring
go.
up a few more bucks.
Yeah, so you're going to have 400 probably. Close. Wow. I gotta get back. If it re-triggers, I'm going to be in trouble. Okay, it could re-trigger though. We got to get this going. Come on. 10 to go. Yeah, I'm glad I was near you so I could film it. Isn't it great, guys? Everybody watching this video.
Oh,
it's
man.
great. It's great to see a low bet do well. there's hope, right? We don't all have to bet high all the time. Come on, baby. Yeah, I think mine's going to be hitting too. Yeah, I'm thinking these are going to keep hitting over here. That's where. All right, here we go. 300 and there we go. Let's see what that pattern is too. 386. Hello, beautiful. Took the bet down. Shoot. I didn't realize it. Oh well. We got it, guys. We'll see what we get at 96 cents. Okay, we're on a jade. So at least we got it going, right? We'll see. There's not a lot. Yes, I hit it without looking. Darn. Come on, baby. Okay. Okay. One. Oh boy. That's it. A few dollars here and there. All right. Well, you know I hit the grand once on the lowest level, which was silver. Oh, we've got a few more spins. Oh, cool. All right. 6. All right, we got almost 30. It's a beginning, right? Yeah, we are low rolling. We've had some tight days, so we got to stay in our budget, guys. We can do it. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're done. Okay. All right. Takes forever. Got it, my friends. Oh, I stayed on it long enough. Thank goodness. We got the random. We got a random. Yay. We needed it. This is really taking us down. So I got the random on that earlier. I tried the left one that my friend likes. It would not hit much. This is a random. This is good. Let's hope it, okay, we got a good one. 82. Let's hope we hit really big. Get all our money back. Thank goodness we needed that. The guy before me was hitting at 125. I tried the higher bet. I really wanted it, but it wouldn't do it. 105. It wouldn't go in. I just thought it might, but it didn't. So here we go now. Come on, we got the random. Thank goodness. Come on, baby. We need some really good hits. Okay, let's take it out. Let's match it up. All right, we got $6, $6.50. So at least we got 200. Thank goodness. This one was doing really well for the guy. I'm really thinking about moving to it. Sticking on it, I mean. Thank goodness we needed that random so bad. Woo, baby. Nothing now, but we got the 200. We'll take it. Thank you. Let's see if we get right back in. That was awesome. Go there. Nickel, I made 32. Look at that, guys. $24.
Oh, nice.
Keep going.
Still in.
I can't do the explosion. I can't afford to bet that yet. I could do the grand. Oh. Hey, here we go.
Nice. So nice.
Let's do it.
Get some there. Get some more.
Come on, baby. Yeah. I like, no, I don't like mystery. I like 5 or 3. Okay, here we go. Whoa, we got to go back to see what's happening. Okay, we only have 5. At least we have 23. Nada. Uh-oh, one more. North.
Oh, I'm in.
He's in. He's a rich boy. Oh, boy, is he rich. Okay. Then I'll film you, big boy. 51, not bad.
Hey, you're back.
Whoa, baby, whoa. Okay. Did you get a gold one? No. 51, we love you. All right, let's go. Which one are you going to choose? Oh, he's doing the mystery.
Hey, 6 times 5, whatever that means.
Times 5. I don't
Then 3
even
games.
know if that's even good. We have no idea. We're playing the big ones.
Come on, stroke that.
Hey, guys.
Stroke the money bucket.
Don't listen to
Come
all
on.
that gossip.
Pick it up.
Oh, yeah. Ignore those people. Let's have some fun. We're all about having
Hey, I got
fun,
my
all
money
of us,
back.
guys. You got your
That's a
money
good
back.
hit.
Good. Why don't you speed it up? God, he's got 2 of
Never.
10. Never. He's doing great for 88 cents. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. He's
Sweet
a rich
hit.
boy.
Come on now. Pick a hit. Pick a hit now.
Hit it, hit it. Hey, hey. Let's have some fun. Yeah, it's all about fun. Like everybody says, it doesn't matter what you bet, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
4 of 10. That's only 4 spins so far.
Speed it up.
6 more.
Speed it up.
Never.
Never. Speed it up, buddy. Man, is he? I'm going to touch it.
That's glorious.
He's
It's
loving.
glorious.
Oh my God, 88 cents.
still
Look at
going.
him. I want to
6
see
spins.
the next 6 spins. Come on, baby.
That's 6.
Let's see him. He did better than I did. Good for him. Oh, you're a rich man. Listen, for 88 cents, that's amazing. So when you're low on money or you got to be in your budget, go ahead and bet that 88 cents, honey.
Oh, Dragon wasn't good.
Go get them. 2 more.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, baby. We're having fun at Interest
go,
of the
go,
Wind,
go,
and thanks
go.
for watching this, guys.
Come on. Hit the hundy. 1 more.
Go.
Hit the hundy. Oh. Nada.
Love
Well,
it.
you know, I'm a keeper.
You got it. You'll keep it, baby, baby. Isn't that pretty, guys? I love it.
That really is classy.
Dancing drums explosion. So I bet higher, but
Get the major.
go ahead and you choose it. Oh, God.
Doing great. You got 2 girls.
Yeah, they're the worst.
I thought they were the major.
No, they're the mini. The mini. Oh, okay. I got the 28. And look what he got, 18 on it, 88 cents. Are we big winners or what, baby? All right, this is fun. Hey, I hope you're all having fun out there. This is becoming one of our favorite machines here and there. Come on, one more. Okay, let's go to 288 for fun. Didn't get it all back. So 6. That's cute up there. It's the knee machine, isn't it? Dancing Drums Explosion, but today I can't afford to play the maximum to hit the explosion. The grand is 14,000, the explosion is 34. Okay, we're at least getting our money back sometimes. Okay, we're going to try the one next to me. At 188, I have $36. That's pretty good. All right. Gman just left that and gave me its $20 ticket. 88-cent bet, but look. 24, we'll take it. Isn't that pretty? Guys, we're an 88-cent kind of couple. Oh yeah, my husband said we're at the 88-cent cash and carry. Oh yeah, I didn't know there was such a thing. All right, tonight it's an 88 center. I saw this couple playing 88 cents here, and they were winning so much more than me, I couldn't believe it. That was last Sunday. Or Sunday, right? Yeah, because this is Monday. I think we should like pop that. Let me know if you hit anything, buddy. Rude. Give me one of those or give me a drum, baby. Gal's in at 5 and she's doing great. I couldn't hit on all the other ones. So I came over here. Come on, get it. Come on. You did great. Come on, go. Over here and you can make your money back. And that's what we have, the Diamond Bucket Lake. Let's get that $2,600. Nature, baby. Come on, let's fill her up. Come on. One more, at least. Go. Okay, we got it. So we got 16,000 for a grand, almost 17. Let's try it. At least this hit something. I couldn't hit anything over there on the roosters after lunch. All right, so let's see if we can get in again. Let's just stay at the same one.